Hey everyone, let me introduce you to my bonsai tree that I'm inviting to join us in this Lego build. This one is a ginseng ficus with broad leaves, which is different to the pine-like bonsai tree set from LEGO's Botanical Collection. We got this from Legoland on one of our interstate travels earlier this year. As you can see, the box was a little squashed in our luggage. Now would be the perfect time to build this, as the set also includes the Japanese cherry tree option, and here in Sydney we have missed our annual cherry blossom festival due to the extended lockdown we are in. So I thought, why not enjoy staying home while putting this together in early spring. There is also a flower bouquet and bird of paradise set in the Botanical Collection, but we've chosen to start with the bonsai tree for a touch of Mr Miyagi in our home. Wax on, wax off, anyone? There are 6 packs in the box and a total of 878 pieces, so this should take a couple of hours to build on a nice relaxing pace. The booklet shows other creative ideas to encourage more individual builds, so once you have the foundation of this set, be inspired to purchase more bricks to branch out your perfect tree. These works are really good, and there is so much you can do to build a tree of your imagination. Don't limit your tree to land only. This underwater one is a brilliant idea. Here we have Nico, who is the Lego designer and bonsai specialist behind this set. I'll leave a link in my description to his bonsai tree designer interview. Bag 4 and 5 are the 2 options for bonsai and cherry trees. I'll start with the cherry blossoms first, so if you'd like to grab a drink, get comfy, and let's get started.
Haven't been myself for the longest time. Can't blame my health, just feel like I'll be better off somewhere else, somewhere I can hide away and never be found. I hate to dwell in all this complication. I know I will find my way out soon, but I don't want to burden you till I feel right as rain, right as rain. But just know you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. When I break it down, one pill at a time, I hate to feel, but you're showing me that I'm not broken. Anyone else would just run and hide, but not you. I hate to dwell on all the expectations. I know I give too much and too soon. Yeah, I don't want to overwhelm you, cause I'm not right as rain, right as rain. But just know, keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. It's playing on my mind, it's starting up my darkest of ways, and it's staying always, yeah. I see my own demise, this time nothing will get me through this, but there is, cause you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. Keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. Haven't been myself for the longest time. Can't blame my health, just feel like I'll be better off somewhere else, somewhere I can hide away and never be found. I hate to dwell in all this complication. I know I will find my way out soon, but I don't want to burden you till I feel right as rain. Right as rain, but just know you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. When I break it down, one pill at a time, I hate to feel, but you're showing me that I'm not broken. Anyone else would just run and hide, but not you. I hate to dwell on all the expectations. I know I give too much and too soon. Yeah, I don't want to overwhelm you, cause I'm not right as rain, right as rain. But just know, keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. It's playing on my mind, it's starting on my darkest of ways, and it's staying always, yeah. I see my own demise, this time nothing will get me through this, but there is, cause you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. Keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating.
Which way does the wind blow? Well, it doesn't matter to me anymore. I feel like it's a waste of time, nothing. Waking by myself, can't wait to place the blame, cause there's nobody else. Don't know what to do to you. I'm staring at my ceiling, I'm trying just to feel something. Feeling like I can win, wishing to begin again. Life just ain't the real right now, living in this quarantine as the days go by. I think some things are meant to be, with the weight of 24/7 feels like it's so short. I pray there will be a better day.
Too much, say less, tell me when and where. I'm suddenly seeing snow falling everywhere. Trying to make the first move, but there's so much to do. I'm losing all cause I hate it, but you know it's true. And to the world that's passing me by, who took my chance away before I gave it a try. Don't you think it's too soon to call it quits? Just cause we're young, who says that we won't
I'm
commit?
staring at my ceiling, I'm trying just to feel something. Feeling like I can win, wishing to begin again. No, life just ain't the real right now, living in this quarantine as the days go by. I think some things are meant to be, with the weight of in my day. It's good and in my day. We should, and in our day, we'll see it all. Another day awaits for you and I'm me. Staring at my ceiling, I'm trying just to feel something. Feeling like I can win, wishing to begin again. Life just ain't the real right now. Living in this quarantine as the days go by. I think some things are meant to be. With the weight of 24, feels like it's so short. I pray there will be a better day. Oh, oh, oh. No, no, no. Going to the place where baby gotta go. Oh, no, no. Some things are meant to be. And in my day,
Anne, stop singing. Where are the next lines? It's my turn. What are the next lines?
no,
Anne?
no,
Anne?
no. There will be a better day. Oh, oh, oh.
Many years I've been trying, then I came out of hiding. Never thought it would feel so great, yet there is still an empty space. I really want it bad, after all of that. I want the best I've ever had. Looking around me, it's like they all found somebody. Yes, I've been hurt, kicked to the curb. Now I have rebuilt, lesson learned. I really wanna say I'm ready for a change. I wanna fall in love again. I don't need no part-time lover, or more than just a friend. More than just I wanna fall in love again. I don't need no part-time lover, or more than just a friend. More than just a friend. I keep falling for the wrong ones, the ones who don't want none. I find myself trying to settle down. Don't wanna be lonely now. So I get myself into situations, hoping that I can change them. They always end up with me out the door, not looking back anymore. I've been hurt, kicked to the curb. Now I have rebuilt, lesson learned. I really wanna say I'm ready for a change. I wanna fall in love again. I don't need no part-time lover, or more than just a friend. More than just I wanna fall in love again. I don't need no part-time lover, or more than just a friend. More than just a friend. I had almost give up on love. It's not a thing I'm proud of. It took me some to realize that I needed time. Yet I learned to be alone, being good on my own. Still praying for company, one day it will come to me. I wanna fall in love again. I don't need no part-time lover, or more than just a friend. More than just a friend. I wanna fall in love again. I don't need no part-time lover, or more than just a friend. 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 Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow. watch the road stop, driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road stop, driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road stop, driving myself insane. End of the day, at the end of the day. Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road stop, driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road stop, driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming.
So there you have it, the Japanese cherry and bonsai tree set from LEGO's Botanical Collection. I hope you enjoyed the build and will explore other fun and beautiful designs like this one here. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you subscribe for more of my creative content. Until my next video, take care and carry on growing.
End of the day.